friends, and welcome back. The word that we are going to learn today is abominable. Its spell is A-B-O-M-I-N-A-B-L-E, abominable. So let's pronounce with me, abominable, abominable. The word belongs to an adjective family. It refers to something that causing disgust or hatred, or something that is very bad or unpleasant. The Urdu meaning of abominable is makruh. Adding more, the words that can be used in place of abominable are detestable, loathsome, awful, and atrocious. However, the words that are opposite to abominable are innocuous, inoffensive, lovable, and pleasant. Now let's see the usage of abominable in a sentence. The first one is, has that country gone back to the Stone Age to allow such abominable behavior? Here, abominable is referring to the unpleasant or offensive behavior. The second example we have is, yet it is a tragic irony that despite a plethora of prohibitive laws and international conventions, this abominable child labor system has been thriving uninhibited. And the sentence above, abominable, is used to highlight the disgusting child labor system. So here we are coming to an end of our today's video. So just keep practicing the word and try to use that in your daily conversation. For finding reading material, you can also visit to our FB page whose link is being given in the description. Lastly, don't forget to share your suggestions and feedback in the comments below. We'll see you tomorrow with another amazing vocab. So stay with us and have a blessed Friday.